of Russia's rebranded McDonald's restaurants have been caught serving moldy burgers to fed-up customers after the U.S. chain left the country over its invasion of Ukraine. McDonald's Corp fully exited Russia earlier this year, selling all the restaurants it owned to a local licensee in May. Under new name Vkusno and Taka, or Tasty and That's It, 50 restaurants in and around Moscow reopened in June. But eaters have complained of mold on the buns of their burgers in several outlets, said Kseni Sobchak, a popular TV celebrity and the Russian opposition's most prominent woman politician. Vkusno and Taka sells moldy burgers, Sobchak posted on her Telegram channel. Sobchak added, "It looks like they don't quite honor the standards of McDonald's, at least in terms of product quality control. Today at least 3 cases were reported of burgers with moldy buns sold to customers. Two of them were for my subscribers. When it took over the McDonald's outlets, Vkusno and Taka promised the same but better. Yet some customers have their doubts." One said, "I don't think it's okay when you find mold. Pictures show the sinister mold," and Sobchak told the management, "Figure it out, guys, you don't need to poison people." Other complaints at the new Russian chain are a lack of meat in cheeseburgers, and cheese sauces with expired use-by dates. Eaters have also protested that the fries are sad compared with the real thing from McDonald's, which had been in Russian, then the USSR, since 1990. New packaging has replaced the old, and the golden arches have vanished. The CEO of Vkusno and Taka, Oleg Peroev, said all 850 former McDonald's restaurants would be open by September under the new name. The first McDonald's in Russia opened in the middle of Moscow more than 3 decades ago, shortly after the fall of the Berlin Wall. It was a powerful symbol of the easing of Cold War tensions between the United States and Soviet Union. McDonald's was the first American fast food restaurant to open in the Soviet Union, which finally collapsed in 1991. McDonald's decision to leave comes as other American food and beverage giants including Coca-Cola, Pepsi and Starbucks have paused or closed operations in Russia in the face of Western sanctions.